welcome to Shoeman's Model Shop, and today what we're going to do is we're going to go over an accessory for a 3D printer. And what this is a Wham Bam Flexible Build system. What it does is it will go on the build plate, and it's a 3 parts. Basically you take the build plate, you put the magnet part on it, and then you put the flexible build plate. And what that will allow you to do is when you do pull off the build plate, it's flexible, you can twist it, and it allows the parts to release earlier, and I will go over that as I'm going to do a step by step. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's with this system. So I will put the link below for where to purchase this. And one thing you have to do when you do purchase it is that each machine has a different build plate, so you need to order the size for the build plate that you have. It's very simple. You just go to their website and you pick what machine you have, and that's the build plate. This one is going to go on my Epic X10. I already have one on my smaller printer and it worked out great, and that's why I decided to go with this one. So let's take a look at what is inside. What we have here, and this is, I guess you could call this the deluxe edition. It comes with 2 build plates. So again, basically the idea of the build plate is, as you can see, that it's flexible. So when you do your print job on it, and again I will show you how that works, the print job sits on this part, and then when you're done you can take it off and you just kind of flex the build plate and your print will pop right off. Nice thing about that too is because of this, it allows you to print right on the build plate instead of using a lot of extra supports. So that's kind of nice to have. So let me just flex that. And then what we have here is the magnet. And what happens here is it has a peel on the back. You just peel that off, and again I will show you that. And then you put it on your build plate. And then once you're done, you put this on top of the magnet. And we have some sandpaper. And what you use that for is if your build plate is really super smooth, you can use the sandpaper to scuff it up, and so the magnet will stick better. My build plates are pretty much scuffed up, so that shouldn't be a problem. And they include some stickers, which are kind of neat. And we have a card with the URLs to get to their website. And I think, let's see if we can. Can't get there. And they have a YouTube page, and that's their deal. I will still put the link below. And then we have the instruction sheets on how to install it. So that is what we can do next. Next I will show you how to install it on the build plate. So now we have our build plate. And you can see this build plate is pretty scuffed up. But if it was really new and smooth, you'd probably want to go and maybe scuff it up a little bit. And so now I've got the magnetic part, and what we do is we're going to peel off the backing and then slowly get it on the build plate. So we're going to start with, just peel off here. And then we're going to get it lined up. slightly off, so let's gonna redo that. There we go. And then we're gonna just press it down. Okay, and then that's really all there is to it. And then what we will have to do though is we will have to re-level the build plate. So, and then basically all you do now is you will take the mat, lay it on top of that, and then it will print on that, and then when you're done you just lift the tab, and then like I said, it's just flex. You flex it and a piece comes off. This, like I said, this is kind of what I call the deluxe edition. It has 2 plates, so basically you can just pull one plate off and then put the other one back on and start printing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this in the printer. We'll get something printed, and then I'll show you how that works once the print job is done. So I've got the print done. I've let the magnet set for about 72 hours to make sure that the adhesive works. And so I did a print. So basically at this point all you have to do is just take off the metal plate. And then you can just set that there. And then you can take the second one and get it in place, and you'd be ready to start printing. And then, oh, that came out really bad. That's okay. I'll have to reprint that. That didn't come out good. But anyway, the idea is that at this point, all you have to do is you just flex the plate and your print jobs come off.